Hey guys, Amanda here from Salesman Travel. My husband Brad's behind the camera today, so hello to Honey Bunny. We're doing an unboxing today. This is a Goodwill Bluebox. It is mixed apparel. We've done a couple of these before and they've been pretty good to us, so we got another one. This could have anywhere from 10 to 12 items in it. The cost is $29.99 plus tax, so it made it $30.30 or something like that with tax. So average cost, depending on how many items in there, is somewhere between $261-ish and $330-ish, I believe is what the right math is. So we're gonna get right into it here and see what we got this time. Somebody in a previous video commented that I probably should invest in a box cutter, and I think they're right. Just haven't done it yet. But at least you know that the box has not been gotten into before this. So there we go. Let's see if I can get it here. Trusty scissors. All right, there we go. So there's the box before I start pulling stuff out. All right. And here's our invoice. And this says 12 pieces. So hopefully there's 12 pieces in here. So let's get going and see what we got. We've gotten stuff before in these that's been new with tags. We got some North Face. Got some Under Armour, which actually the North Face and the Under Armour from the last box have already sold. So this is a Charlotte Russe, which is a kind of a mall brand. Just a top there with a little belt. And kind of a wrap style top. I wonder if it's got a thing to hold it together up top, because you know stuff. You don't want it to get too gaping wide open there. And it's got a cold shoulder sleeve on it. So, but that's cute, and that's good. Perfect time of the year for this. And then next, we've got, this is Carol Bay Petite Medium. I don't know what Carol Bay is. I've never heard of that before. But great color for this time of year. So just a knit top. And the next, this has got tags on it, so that's always good. Style & Company, size 16 petite. There you go, that's a pretty little skirt. There we go. And tags on it, and this says original price was $45. So we could probably get maybe 20 bucks out of that. That would be nice to have $20 out of that. All right, and then next we've got Jones, New York. Man, this box has really got a lot of mall brandy, department store type brands in it. So these are like corduroy, and it looks like there's a spot back here. It is. There's a spot on the back of the leg. If you can see it there. Could you see it? There's fuzz. And then that's the spot. Okay. So, but maybe I'll be able to wash these and get that out. And these are Jones, New York stretch size 8. So, white pants is perfect for this time of year. But with a spot on it, I don't know about it. That's okay. I think that's just the way the cut of the fabric is. So, hopefully I can get that spot out. We'll see. We will see. And then next, this is a JM collection, size 16. Man, I think they just gave me the whole Belk or Macy's department store. That's where they pulled this from. So, and this is size 16. I said that already. Kind of felt silky, but it's not silk. It's a polyester blend. Just a little button front, short sleeve top. There. And next, this looks like a dress. Or no, this is just a jacket. This is Sag Harbor. And it's got a nice little 3/4 sleeve there. It is a petite extra large. They gave me a petite box. So, and it's got hidden buttons in there. But actually, I think they're snaps. They are. They're snaps. Snaps. If I were standing, I guess I could have attempted to do a bend and snap. All right, so the next, this is a top, and it's got sheer sleeves, and this is the tag, is I think that's Cachet, is how you say that. And it's a size 16, made in the USA. This might actually be a vintage tag. Kind of looks vintagey. But it's got the stretchy banded top and bottom there, so you could probably wear it off the shoulder. And it's got banded cuffs. And the sleeves are sheer, so that's cute. Oh, does that have a spot on it? Nope, that's where the tag is sewn in. Okay. All right. And this is East 5th, size extra large. And another top here. And this looks like a dark navy blue. I thought it was black at first, but I think it's a dark navy blue. And it's kind of lightweight, so it's good for this time of year. And then this is Banana Republic. This is kind of what, more like along the lines of what I was expecting. We've got Banana Republic in the last couple boxes. So this is just a tank top. It does still have the sticker there down the front, but it doesn't actually have, oh yes it does, it has tags attached. So his original price was $39.99. It's got a little hook and eye up there to hold it together. So that's cute. It's a size small. And this has also got tags attached. And this looks like Cachet. Again, but spelled differently than the other Cachet. And this new with tags, let's see if there's a price on here for this. This says original price was $118. So I'll have to look it up and see if it's actually selling for that. There we go. That's what I'm trying. That's how I'm trying to hold it up. So that actually looks like a dress. Like a dress for a tiny person. Size 2. All right, so that's good. And then, what in the world? There's like dirt. Look at that. I don't know what that is. It almost looks like paint chips or something. I'm gonna shake it off back into the box. So this is a Ralph Lauren Blake men's pink short sleeve shirt. That is a thread.
What size is it?
There. It's a extra large.
Sold.
And we've sold Ralph Lauren Blake before. It doesn't sell for a huge amount, but we can probably get $20, $25 out of it, maybe.
I just told you it was sold.
Okay, I'm sorry. Honey Bunny was buying that one. Or claiming that one. And then last but not least, this is Tommy Bahama. And it's just a soft shell jacket. It's got a little bit of a stretch to it there. Little puppy's barking at us. And this is a size large. And it's a full zip. But just plain, no fun Tommy Bahama stuff on it that I see. There's the inside of it. So, but that, I mean, that should sell, and we'll get hopefully 20 or 25, 30, maybe 30 bucks out of it. I'll have to look up comps on this and see. So I've never had a Tommy Bahama jacket like that before. So that's it. That's everything in the box other than the paint chip looking stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, of course, leave them in the comments below. Please make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Ring the bell notification if you want to know when we upload new videos. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you so much.